Hi! These are both the Series 10. How do they look? Look at how big that is on my wrist. That sure is sleek. Hey everybody, and welcome to it. Welcome to yet another Apple product unboxing. I'm so excited. Today we have the Series 10 Apple Watch and the Airpods Pro 2. I got them on Walmart.com. Thank you so much, Walmart, for sponsoring and partnering on this video with me today. I've been absolutely loving getting my tech on Walmart lately. It always arrives so fast. Like these, I placed my order and literally picked them up by curbside that day. So very excited to be partnering with Walmart and unboxing these today. So first, let's start off with the Apple Watch Series 10. I actually am going to be gifting this to my husband. I think this will be a lovely upgrade for him and well deserved. I already have the Apple Watch Series 10 actually in rose gold and I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to get him one today, as well as unbox it for you guys because I feel like it is such a popular device right now and so easy to get a hold of on Walmart. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm always a big fan of this little wallpaper that they have behind it. But in here we have the Apple Watch itself, and then we have the Sport Loop as well. I personally love my Sport Loop that came with it. I don't have it on right now, but personally I love the style of it the best out of all the ones that come with Apple Watches. So of course had to get that one for my husband. Okay, time for the final reveal on the color. I actually don't know if I've seen this one in person yet, so wow, all right, we have this little pack right here. Of course, with the cord to charge it. We actually have fun little charging stands though on our nightstands. We both have the same one that charge our phones and Apple Watches at the same time, so probably won't use this, but there's the cord. Highly recommend those charging stands, they're so cool. Wow. Okay, I have the 42 millimeter and this is the 46. So, wow, I could not imagine if this big thing was on my wrist. This is so fun. Let's open up the watch itself. These are like always so weird to get off. Wow, that sure is sleek. All right, now for the band to match with this for my husband, Keegan. He's going to love it. I swear Apple has just the most satisfying packaging always. All right, now we will put one side in and the other. And it's starting to turn on, yay! Okay, wow. This is very nice. All right, and now it is ready for setup. So, gotta go get my husband's phone to get the rest of the setup. Okay, wow. Look at how big that is on my wrist. That's so funny. Went and grabbed my husband's phone for a setup, but did want to tell you a few little more things about Walmart and getting your Apple products on Walmart. Walmart has so many amazing tech brands and you can find literally so many of the latest products on Walmart as well. Apple Watch keeps me productive and healthy and fit, so I just know you guys would obviously love one too. You can track your steps, you can track your sleep. There's so many amazing features that I just love about Apple Watches. I got this watch and the AirPods at such a great price, so we'll make sure to link them below if you guys are interested. Not only do they have the Apple Watch Series 10, the AirPods Pro 2 that I'll be showing today, they also have the MacBook Air with the M1 chip, which I actually got for my grandparents last year on Walmart too because the price was so great. And you can also find the iPad Generation 10. So very affordable on Walmart. Again, it'll all be linked below, and thanks for Walmart for sponsoring this. But now let's set up this Apple Watch. So it says, bring it near. All right, we have set up Apple Watch screen. We're going to set up for myself. Step is always so cool to me. All right, your Apple Watch is paired. We can restore from a backup from one of his old ones, but I think we should just set up as a new Apple Watch. Wear it on his left wrist. Okay, now it is connecting. There are lots of different options you can change. Yep. I absolutely love the safety features on Apple Watch. We have the emergency SOS, crash detection. Oh, now it's going through some features. You can double tap now to answer a call or reply to a message. Sure. All right, it is syncing. Whoa. and here it is compared to my 42. These are both the Series 10. That's just crazy. I'm so excited. He's going to love it. We talked about how we are going to be going on more walks together more often to be able to close our rings each day and actually like start being more healthy. So this watch was going to be the start of the new chapter, so I'm excited. I'm also really excited for him to try this out because you can sleep with these on and they will track your sleep. I've also been so curious about his sleep and learning more about it. It also actually, with the Apple Watch 10, it will now track for sleep apnea. So if you wear it for an extended amount of time, it detects that you might have sleep apnea. It'll send you an alert and then kind of give you the information to take in to a professional and get it checked out. So that is it for the Apple Watch Series 10. I'm really excited for him to try it out. Let's go give it to him. What do you think?
I like it. I like the all black.
This watch face, kind of fun. And then I do the
Nike. I like that one.
That one with the weather, kind of fun. That one you can like add stocks, so I did.
Yeah, I like that. I like it.
Yay! Twins, let's go. All right, now for the next product that I got on Walmart, the Airpods Pro 2. Again, the pricing on these on Walmart is just so affordable. Definitely consider checking them out. All right, we just have some setup instructions. Unfortunately, they stopped making the Apple stickers. So sad. All right, I honestly do need a tutorial because again, I've never had these. I didn't know they had like little buttons. You can press and hold, noise control, spatial audio. Oh, there's more in the box. Ooh, I actually cannot wait to get a cute case. I feel like I've always seen so many adorable cases for these, so I cannot wait to get a fun accessorizing case. Let's open them up. Wow, I have to try it out immediately. Wow, whoa, yeah, very noise canceling. Everything is immediately muffled. How do they look? Look test. Wait, I'm so excited. Okay, I need to pair them to my phone. I think I just opened this up. Whoa. Yep, we have a little screen telling me what is new. I can even take a hearing test to check for hearing loss. Respond to Siri by moving your head. Hearing protection. Wait, I kind of want to try the hearing test. Okay, while those are doing the little update and diagnostic run, I wanted to go through what else is in the box. So in here we have this little thing which has all the different types of ear pieces, like extra small, small, large, so I guess, oh no! So I'm guessing that means that the medium ones are in it right now, which is honestly shocking because those did fit really well. And I've always stayed away from those types of headphones with the gummy inserts because they never fit in my ears. And I remember when the first generation of AirPods came out that I still have, I was so excited because they weren't the squishy type and they actually stayed in my ears. I do have smaller ears, so that's why I'm shocked that those actually fit. So literally ever since then, I have never even tried anymore with these different like squishy ends. I've always just stuck with my AirPods generation 1. Even when they came out with other versions, I just stuck with those. But now I'm influenced, I will say. I will be sticking with this AirPods Pro 2. They're amazing. Okay, then the other thing in here is just a USB-C to USB-C cord because it looks like you just plug them in down here, or it can also do wireless charging, which I do have also on our little nightstand dock that we have that charges our watch, phones, and it can also do wireless AirPods. So I'm really excited to actually put that to use. All right, they are ready for my hearing test. I'm actually so curious. Getting started. All right, in a quiet place. It's like my first hearing sound test. I feel like I'm failing this. Okay, test, whoa, whoa. It like went into transparency mode. Why do I sound like I'm on a microphone? This is crazy. Okay, show results. Little to no loss, let's go. I felt like I was failing that entire time. My left is an overachiever. Done. Wow, that was crazy. Okay, these are awesome. I feel like I'm in my own little world. I'm so excited about these. I can't wait to take them on an airplane. That's when I love using noise cancellation the most. And they just go in their little case, just like this. Yay! Again, I cannot stress enough how much I love buying my tech on Walmart. Always such amazing affordable prices. And I cannot believe you can get such amazing Apple products like those from Walmart. Walmart is a great tech destination if you're ever looking. And if you are currently looking, again, these AirPods Pro 2 and the Apple Watch Series 10 will be linked down below in the description. If you made it all the way to this point in this video, comment the Apple Watch emoji. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I post tech content like this all the time. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!